Today we're going after a vibration on a 2017 Subaru Forester. I was just driving around a little bit. There's definitely a vibration. I'm going to see if you guys can hear this vibration. It, not only does it vibrate, but at a certain speed, you can actually get an audible noise with it as well. So we're going to see if I can capture that on camera for you. We're going to pick it up in the air and inspect it and kind of walk you through, show you what we find and how to fix it if we can. All right, here we are on the road, and it's starting to make that noise. I don't know if you heard that, a little shimmy. See if we can make it happen again. Kind of hit any small bump in the road, and it gets a little, there you go. Almost sounds like a spring. Turn. And if you're at the highway and you turn left, you can get that kind of noise. Hopefully you can hear that. Let's try it one more time before we put it up in the air. There we go. We're only doing about 50, 60 miles an hour. And last time. Hopefully you heard that, but now we're gonna get it up in the air and see what we find. All right, so now we're under the vehicle, and I think I've pinpointed why this car has a vibration, and you can hear that noise whenever you kind of veer going down the highway. We're gonna have someone put some pressure on the wheel, and I'll show you the control arm. And that, I believe, is the source of the vibration and that thumping noise you heard in the video. As you can see, there's a lot of play on the leading control arm bushing right there, and I believe Subaru is kind of known to have this issue. You're going to want to check both sides, of course, but this one is on the right side. Here's the new control arm we're going to be installing. Here's your factory part number, and here's the old control arm already removed, and I'm going to show you just how wiped out this bushing was. I push it out almost by hand, that thing is shot. So if you have a vibration, this is probably a good thing to look at.